Jersey number 8. Jersey number 7, Magpita, corner pass. Olicando, 8-7 for De La Vega. And there's a foul coming with jersey number 13.
62-44.
That is second foul, 13th foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 5. There's number 18, Kenny. Pass to Andres against Patricio. Pass to Kenny. Back pass. For three is no good. There's number 17. Pass to Rocky Alicante. There's number 13. There's that. In De La Vega. Pass to Magpias. There's number 29. Penetrate. Lace it up. Let's go. There's number 29. Instead of Magpias. There's a number 17, bounce pass to Magpita. And there's a whistle. Subdivision, foul committed by jersey number 2. That is third foul. First team foul para sa Barangay Pangina. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30 seconds to play. 80 seconds shot out, jersey number 12, Bricio. Looking for the open man, kick a pass to Bacuyo, has a goal, spin move, there's a number 17 for shot and ball. But there's a number 2, De La Vega, pass to Penny. Against Magpita, slice the middle, corner pass, has a day, baseline jumper, puts it in, it's good. There's a number 17. Pass to Anyang, score 66-44. At 22, big lead, pass pa naging Pangina for 3, Bacuyo, let's go for 3.
66-47, 19-point lead.
Pangina, there's number 16, Monica. Meron pa sa Brugado, Bacuyo, back to back 3.